Hi, welcome. Today we're going to do a few different songs and I'm going to start with the Four Cheeky Monkeys. Four cheeky monkeys swinging in a tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me, can't catch me. Along came Mr. Crocodile as quiet as can be. Snap! Oh! How many cheeky monkeys are left?
Four.
Three cheeky monkeys swinging in a tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me, can't catch me. Along came Mr. Crocodile as quiet as can be. Snap! How many monkeys are left now? Two cheeky monkeys swinging in a tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me, can't catch me. Along came Mr. Crocodile as quiet as can be. Snap! How many monkeys are left now? Only one. One cheeky monkey swinging in a tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me, can't catch me. Along came Mr. Crocodile as quiet as can be. Snap! Oh, how many cheeky monkeys are left? No more cheeky monkeys swinging in a tree. Okay, the next song we are going to do is the Incy Wincy Spider one. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Along came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. And finally, the last song that we're going to do is Timmy Turtle, Timmy the Tiny Turtle. So you can hold your hands like this if you'd like to do the turtle at home. Oh, I forgot that.
I had a little turtle, his name was Tiny Tim. I put him in the bathtub to see if he could swim. He drank apples of water, he ate apples of soap. Now he's got big bubbles stuck deep down in his throat. He goes.
Maybe just cut the last one. Oh, I don't like singing. I'm so bad at it.